Hey, I'm Steve, and today I thought I'd give you a quick little overview of our new FoodSaver. It is the FM5200 series. It is an outstanding FoodSaver, and we've been very happy with it so far. One of the things about this FoodSaver, it is a 2-in-1, and that means it will vacuum seal the roll bags, and also it will vacuum seal the zipper bags. Inside the box, they did include several FoodSaver bags and also the roll bags. The FoodSaver 5200 includes this retractable FoodSaver bag sealer. You have the power button, you have got a seal button, and you can seal dry or moist food. This is your vacuum seal bar. It's got a viewing window. That's where you tuck your roll bag in there for sealing. And it's also got the bag comes out right here, and it's got a slider that will actually cut the bag. You just use the roll bag right here. It simply just slides in. Very easy to install the roll bag. Once you install the roll bag, you simply pull some of the extra roll bag out, like so. Flip up that bottom tray. And then you can use the slide cutter. And now you're ready to start sealing food. You're ready to make your first bag now. So close this lever up, power on. What you're going to do is flip this lever down, and that will create the seal of your first bag. Once that's on, you're going to see a seal light. It's going to come on and just flash, and when it stops flashing, the bottom seal has been made for your bag. It has stopped flashing. Flip the lever, reach in, grab your bag. As you can see right there, the seal has been made. So now all you do is pull out however large a bag you want and then use your cutter. So let's pull it out a little bit. And now I'm going to use my cutter. There's the makings of my first bag. So let's find something to put inside it and seal it. All right, let's see the 5200 FoodSaver in action. I've just put a bunch of peanuts in a bag. So what you got to do is lift the window. You want to slide your bag up under there. I'd slide it 1 inch or 2. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press on each side of the vacuum seal bar. So I'm going to press both sides at the same time. All right, it has pulled all the air out now. You get the flashing light. It's sealing the bag. And when that light stops, your bag is ready. All right, the light stopped. Now there you go. There is your sealed bag. It's just that easy. That is just how easy the FoodSaver 5200 works. I will put a link to Amazon in the description where you can check it out and read reviews and see if it's right for you. We love it. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.